Okay, so now I'm going to set up a drawing. So I will come down to the plus sign on the bottom left hand side there, create drawing. Now I'm going to use a custom template, so if you can just get into the swing of doing this, just check these ones out. So custom, change it to ISO, size A3, millimeters is right, that's all right. Change that to third angle projection, and over here the title block, do not include the title block. Okay. Now it's going to ask me which part we're going to put into it. So at the moment that's looking at the part studios. I want to put in the assembly. So go to my assembly and I'll put that about there. Next one about there. And the way I'm sort of positioning that, I'm trying to space it, and this doesn't matter, that I want that distance, and that distance to sort of be similar. It doesn't have to be the same, but don't cram them all in one corner. Okay, so now bring the next one, bring it up top, that's the top view. Now my drawing's not finished, I haven't put that little thing to stop the draw, but I'm just doing this to show you how to set it up if you're ready to go. And then that will fit there. Okay, so they're the three views. Now, to show you how to get the dimensions on, we come over here, now get the spanner, come up to the dimensions, the properties there, and we just change the colour. I mean, see, there's other things, you can change the sizes and the arrowheads and all that sort of stuff, but don't worry about that. If you want to do it, go for it. I'll pick that. And now I'll close that, get my dimension tool, touch, and then see how you can put the number anywhere. It will snap into the centre, so try and keep it nice and tidy. I've had some people putting them in the drawings like that. They should be outside the drawing, and I've had some people doing it like that. In the middle, there. We need one for the bottom to show how wide that is. So that'll be there, that'll be okay there. Probably need to show how wide that is. Now, I don't know why it says 65.66, it should be 66, but I won't worry about that now. But there might be a small mistake in there somewhere. If I come over here, now see how it puts the dimension like that, and you can just bring it outside, the diameter 30 for that hole. And I'll see if it let me do this one too. Okay, yep, so that's what I've done, so there's the dimensions for that. Now we've got the height, the length across we need. I'm going to put that on top. Okay, so they look okay. Now, I'll just zoom here. Now, you don't need to see, we've got 250 there. I had someone hand in one in the other day and they had 250 there as well, and there. You don't need to just put them in. All you need to do is to have each dimension in once. But that will do for now. Now I go to the text, and over here I will put in top view. They should all be uppercase, as in capital letters. Tick it. And I still haven't worked out how to do this. But now, when you do that again, then you get that extra bit and you can drag it out. If you ever work it out for us, let us know. This is going to be the front view. And side view. And up here it's the isometric view. And now we'll put our own little title block in. So I'll get the line tool. It's over here. And I'll just approximate the size. That probably should be okay there, but I'll bring that across. That's probably a bit tall, but anyway, I'll leave it for now. There. And the reason I did the outside one first is now I can go back, select that tool again, and now it will snap onto the center of that line, so it's all nice and even. And the pencil tool again, and we just need a small one at this end, so crack that in there. Done. And kitchen rack. And then you can just position that so it's nice and centered. That looks all right. And I'll just put 2022, that'll do there. Okay, and that's the orthographic then of the frame part of it. Okay, well, good luck.